Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about tending operation in silviculture. Then tending operation for establishment of regression and subsequent development of the forest crop up to harvesting. Several operations are carried out. These operations are carried out in the forest crop at different stages of growth in order to provide a healthy environment of their development. मतलब जो फॉरेस्ट क्रॉप हेल्थी हेल्थी इन्वायरमेंट डेवलप करते हैं उसमें क्या क्या क्रिया की जाती है। सबसे पहले की जाती है वीडिंग। वीडिंग खरपतवार निकालना, वीडिंग, किलिंग, थिनिंग, इम्प्रूवमेंट, फिलिंग, प्रूनिंग, क्लिम्बर, कटिंग। देन वीडिंग। वीडिंग में बी कंट्रोल बाय फॉलोइंग मेथड: मैकेनिकल मेथड, बायोलॉजिकल मेथड एंड केमिकल मेथड। मैकेनिकल मेथड इज वीड रिमूव इन हैंड, जो हाथ से वीड को निकालते हैं वो मैकेनिकल में आता है। बायोलॉजिकल में बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल में किसी पक्षी से या पैरासाइट रिलीज करते हैं वीड कंट्रोल के लिए। केमिकल में केमिकल यूज करते हैं। देन क्लीनिंग। क्लीनिंग इज कैरिड आउट in a crop which has not crossed the shaping stage and is defined as the cutting made in order to pass the best individuals from undesirable one of the same age which interfere or are likely to interfere with the growth of desired individuals. The greatest advantage offered by kilning is the proper regulation of the composition of crop, particularly in mixed crop. Method of killing may be mechanical, biological, chemical, and desirable under breeding. Then thinning. Thinning is defined as a felling made in a immature stage for the purpose of improving the growth and form the trees that remain without permanently breaking the canopy. Thinning is a tending operation carried out in a crop beyond the shaping stage and up to the beginning of irrigation period. Thinning principles are so formulated that these are applicable only the pure even aged or relatively even aged crop or even aged group of the trees in a crop. Thinning principles have been developed on the basis of natural development of the stand. Thus, thinning takes place naturally in a density stock forest under the law of survival of the fastest. Then objectives of tending operation thinning. क्या क्या objectives है? To improve the hygiene of the crop by removing death, dying and disease trees, hygiene or health of tree can be maintained well. जो कोई ट्रीज का पार्ट अगर मर गया उसको हटाना, जो कोई सूख गया उसको हटाना, या कोई डिजीज या इंसेक्ट उस पे है तो उसको हटाना। सेल्वेज ऑफ एंटी सेप्टिन लॉसेज ऑफ द merchantable volume. A large number of trees die of suppression. These amount contributed of about 20% of the merchantable volume. Thinning contributed a substantial amount in the total yield of crop. Thinning help in shortening of the rotation. Reducing in number of trees in thinning increases the diameters of the remaining trees. Then third is to assure the best physical condition of growth. To object of the thinning is keep growing stock somewhere within the range. The effect of external competition is reflected by decline in the rate of growth with increasing density in crops which are very dense. Thinning increase the diameter of crop. Thus, thinning may be essential to shortening the rotation of crop. थिनिंग करने से उसकी प्लांट की डायमीटर अच्छी हो जाती है, इंक्रीज हो जाती है। टू मेंटेन डिजायर्ड क्रॉप्स, थिनिंग हेल्प टू improve the stem structure. It ensures a uniform and proper distribution of trees all over the area. These enables two trees to tap water and nutrients from a larger area. The composition of the crop can also be improved. The less valuable species may be removed in thinning, and the important and valuable species may be retained of future. Then fifth is improvement of stand composition, irrigation, and protection. If, if an desirable species is not eliminated during irrigation stage, it can be done during thinning to a certain extent. Thinning help in obtaining suitable seed bears for obtaining successful irrigation. The dead, dying, and diseased trees are removed to afford protection of the insect pest, disease, and fire because these trees may be served as a source of infestation. Then improvement in woody quality. Thinning may be also improve the quality of wood because the trees is a higher diameter are likely to be better quality than smaller one. जब diameter उसका increase हो जाएगा तो wood की quality है वो अच्छी हो जाएगी. To increase net yield and financial outcome outrun from a stand. थिनिंग करने से जो उसकी yield है वो ज़्यादा प्राप्त होगी अपने फाइनेंशियल. To help decomposition of raw humans in temperate forest. Thinning increase light and temperature on the forest for and causes mechanical distribution which help the decomposition of raw humans and release to nutrients, etc. Then some important of thinning and tending operation in silviculture. Thank you.